topic, and today in this lecture we'll discuss few questions of exercise 38. Yes, students, exercise 38. Your first question is write each as a division. Write each division as a fraction. Now numbers are already given in division form. Convert these numbers in numbers. First question. As a fraction. Yes, students. First question, part A. We have 8 divided by 4. Now write this number as a fraction. 8 divided by 4. So number will be 8 upon 4. This is a fraction number. Now 8 divided by 4, then fraction number is 8 upon 4. Clear, students? Next is part B. 30 divided by 5. 30 upon 5. Next is part C. 48 divided by 8. So fraction number is 48 upon 8. D is 27 divided by 9. Now number is 27 upon 9. Clear, students? Yes, students, in first question we have 8 parts. Part A to H. 4 parts we already discussed in this lecture. So remaining parts, part E to H, you will try after this lecture. Okay. So here I am solving only 4 parts, part A to D. So after this lecture, you'll complete part E to H. Okay. Next is second question. Now, students, second question is write each of the following fraction as a division. Right now, question is write fraction as a division. Now your number is already in fraction numbers. Now convert this number as a division. As a division. Your first number is 2 upon 7. First number is 2 upon 7. Now we'll write as 2 divided by 7. 2 divided by 7. Next is B part. Now your statement is 5 upon 9. 5 upon 9. Now write this number as a division. 5 divide by 9. C part, 13 upon 17. 13 upon 17. 13 divide by. Next is D part. 80 upon 25. 80 divide by 25. Yes, friends. This way you will convert fraction as a division. 2 upon 7 means 2 divide by 7. 5 upon 9 means 5 divide by 9. Yes, friends. Again, in second question, we have 8 parts. Part A to H. Part A to D we'll discuss in this lecture. So after this lecture, you'll complete part E to H. Clear, students? Next is third question. Now, write each of which are for proper fraction. Now, third question is which are proper fraction. Before this, students will discuss what are proper and improper fractions. First is what are proper fraction. Proper fraction. Yes, friends. First, we'll discuss what are proper fraction. If numerator is less than its denominator, you know, in fraction numbers, we have two parts, numerator and denominator. Next is what are proper fraction. If numerator is less than its denominator, then these type of fractions are known as proper fractions. For example, 2 upon 7. Sorry, 2 upon 9. For example, now numerator is 2 and denominator is 9. Now 2 is less than 9. Our numerator is less than its denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Next example is 1 upon 8, 3 upon 5. Numerator is less than its denominator. 1 is less than 8. 3 is less than 5. So these type of fractions are known as proper fractions. Clear, students? So basically, what are proper fraction? If numerator is less than its denominator, then these type of fractions are known as proper fractions. Clear, students? Next is improper fractions. Next is what are improper fraction. Yes, students, if a numerator is greater than its denominator, if numerator is greater than its denominator, then these type of fraction are known as improper fraction. For example, 8 upon 5. 8 upon 5. Now, our numerator is 8 and denominator is 5. numerator is greater than its denominator. So this is a improper fraction. Next is 7 upon 10, 8 upon 3, 7 upon 4. So these are all improper fractions. Clear, students? So proper fraction are if numerator is less than its denominator, and improper fractions if numerator is greater than its denominator. Okay. Third type is unit fraction. Yes, students. Our third type is unit fraction. Yes, students. What are unit fraction? If numerator of any fraction number is 1. So these are unit fractions. For example, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 9, 1 upon 12. These all are unit fraction. So what are unit fractions? If numerator is 1, if any fraction number with the numerator 1, then these type of fraction numbers are known as unit fraction. For example, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 7, 1 upon 10, 1 upon 4. These are unit fractions. Clear, students? Now we'll discuss a few questions of now we'll discuss third question. Yes, students, in third question again we have 8 parts. Your third question is yes, friends. Next is which are proper fractions. Now your first number is 2 upon 7. Your third question is which are proper fraction. Your first number is 2 upon 7. Yes, friends. Now numerator is 2 and denominator is 7. So this is a proper fraction. The answer is yes. All right. Proper fraction. Next is B part. 8 upon 8. Numerator and denominator both are same. Yes, friends, if numerator and denominator both are equal, then these type of fractions are known as improper fractions. So your answer is no. No. Next is 10 upon 3. 10 upon 3. Now numerator is 10 and the denominator is 3. So numerator is greater than its denominator. So this is not a proper fraction. So your answer is no. Next is D part. 69 upon 70. Yes, friends, 69 upon 70. Now numerator is 69 and denominator is 70. So numerator is less than its denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Improper clear, students? Again, students, in third question, we have 8 parts, part A to H, part A to D. We discuss in this lecture. So after this lecture, you will try part E to H. Clear, students? Next is fourth question. Your fourth question is, which are improper fractions? Fourth question is, which are improper fractions? First is 10 upon 3. Yes, friends. Your first number is 10 upon 3. Now, numerator is 10 and denominator is 3. Numerator is greater than its denominator. Yes, friends. If our numerator is greater than its denominator, then these type of fractions are improper fractions. Now here numerator 10, denominator 3. 10 is greater than 3. So this is a improper fraction. Next is part B. Now numerator is 11 and denominator is 7. 11 is greater than 7. So fraction is improper fraction. Next is C part, 7 upon 7. Now numerator and denominator both are same. So these type of fractions are improper fractions. Improper next is D part, 8 upon 23. Now friends, 8 upon 23. Now numerator is 8 and denominator is 23. 8 is less than 23. So this type fraction is not a proper, improper fraction. Clear, students? This is third and fourth question. Third and fourth question of exercise 38. Clear, students? Next is fifth question. Which are unit fractions? Fifth question. which are unit fractions. Which are unit fractions? Yes, students. If numerator of any number, any fraction number is 1, then these type of fractions are unit fractions. So for unit fraction, we just check the numerator. Part A, now your fraction number is 1 upon 7. Now numerator is 1. So this is a unit fraction. Next number is 2 upon 6. Now numerator is 2. So your answer is 4. Next is part C, 1 upon 4. Now numerator is 1. So this is a unit fraction. Next is part D, 5 upon 1. Answer, no. Clear, students? Next question is, sixth question. Are all unit fractions are proper fraction? If your answer is no, give an example of unit fraction which is an improper fraction. Sixth question. Are all unit fractions proper fraction? If no, give an example of unit fraction which is an yes, friends. In this question, your first answer is no. Answer no. Then example is 1 upon 1. 1 upon 1 is also an improper fraction and as well as in a unit fraction. Clear, students? Next is seventh question. Yes, friends. Seventh question is convert into improper fraction. Convert into improper fraction. Now, seventh question, first part. Our number is 2, 3 upon 5. Yes, students, seventh question, first part. Now your question is convert into improper fraction. And number is 2, 3 upon 5. Yes, students, how we can convert this number as a improper fraction? First step is 5 multiplied by 2. First step is 5 multiplied by 2, then plus 3. 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3 upon 5. 5 to a 10 plus 3 upon 5. 10 plus 3, 13. So 13 upon 5. Yes, friends. Now steps are, first is 5 multiplied by 2. 5 to a 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 30. First step, 5 multiplied by 2 plus 3 upon 5. 5 multiplied by 2, 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. So your answer is 13 upon 5. Next is B part. 4, 3 upon 8. 8 multiplied by 4 plus 3 upon 8. 8 4 are 32 plus 3 upon 8. 32 plus 3 is 35 upon 8. Next is C part. 7, 1 upon 7. 7, 7 are 49. 7 multiplied by 7 plus 1 upon 7. 7, 7 are 49. 49 plus 1, 50. Next is part D. 6, 5 upon 9. 9 multiplied by 6 plus 5 upon 9. 9, 6 are 54 plus 9 plus 5 upon 9. 54 plus 5 is 59. Yes, students. Next is E part. Part E, 1 upon 11. Eleven plus 1, 12. Clear, students? Next is part F. 2, 11 upon 12. 2, 11 upon 12. 12 multiplied by 2 plus 11 upon 12. 12 to our 24. 24 plus 11, 35 upon 12. Next is part G. 9, 3 upon 10. 10 multiplied by 9 plus 3 upon 10. 10 multiplied by 9, 90 plus 3. 90 plus 3, 93 upon 10. Now students, last part, 1, 9 upon 17. 1, 9 upon 17. 17 multiplied by 1 plus 9 upon 17. 17 multiplied by 1, 17 plus 9 . 17 plus 9 is 26 upon 70. So your answer is 26 upon 70. Clear, students? So this is the 7th question of exercise 38. Yes, students, today your homework is complete exercise 38 in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice